In the heat of the Industrial Revolution, Wales was at the heart of global innovation. In 1804, a groundbreaking steam engine designed by Richard Trevithick powered the world's first ever railway journey along 9 miles of track from Penydarren Ironworks to the Merthyr Cardiff Canal at Abercynon. 3 years later, the Oystermouth Railway carried the world's first fare-paying passengers between Swansea and the Mimbles. Today, in 2018, we embrace a new era of innovation and the beginning of an exciting new journey for Wales. This will be a journey of transformation for our transport network. Transport for Wales was set up by the Welsh Government as a not-for-profit company. Its role is to deliver a new vision for transport, with the people and places of Wales at the heart of its mission. The task? To keep Wales moving, by providing customer-focused services and guiding our investment in infrastructure and delivering expert advice. We listened to the people of Wales and set a bold new ambition for our transport network. We've started by challenging industry to work with us to reimagine our rail network. It's time to deliver a new generation of rail services that will unlock real opportunities for everyone. Following the most comprehensive public procurement process ever undertaken in Wales, we've appointed an industry-leading partnership, Keolis Amy, to build and deliver the service. This international joint venture will bring a wealth of global experience to our railways, a revitalised network that will see new services and rolling stock, innovative solutions, and a massive programme of station investment. The South Wales Metro is a once-in-a-generation opportunity to create a modern, high-quality, multimodal network with high-frequency services on brand-new rolling stock, and the ability to extend into new and existing communities. This new turn-up-and-go service, providing at least 4 trains an hour across a fully integrated network, will be fully operational by 2023. We'll also focus on improving integration between different modes of transport. Joined-up services, simplified ticketing, and reliable information will underpin a modern, efficient network, ensuring that our public transport and active travel networks complement each other. So much more than getting from A to B, transport is about connecting people and communities, enabling sustainable development and delivering prosperity for all. This requires a transport network that all passengers will be proud of. This requires a journey of transformation. That new journey begins today. Rhwydwaith trafnidiaeth gall Cymru gyfan fod yn falch ohoni. I bobl, I gymuned, I Gymru. Trawsnewid trafnidiaeth. For people, for places, for Wales. Transforming transport.